This news just in from Bucksnort's front porch. Buzzing louder than a leaf blower on torch. Hey, see that swarm there? Nah, that's just Cicada. They named their king Buzz, but should have been Darth Vader. Oh, wait, hold up. They're chewing on Armstrong, but who can blame them? The town's named Bucksnort. Come on. Breaking news from our quiet little town. A cicada invasion's got residents talking, walking, round. And King Buzz, well, he's claiming his throne. Right at the sign where Bucksnort is known, reports are in, they're taking a nibble out of street names and local town scribbles. In other news, the buggers have hit the market. Customers ducking flies are nothing. This is a real target. Watch your hats, folks. Saving heads from surprise landings. Cicada souvenirs. Free with your groceries, no wranglings. Traffic's backed up, not for construction or weather, but cicada sightseeing, creating a local town tether. The scene out here is something right out of a spoof. Cicada's in charge, and that's the hard truth. Reports outside of Ma's Diner where the chatter is loud, not from the folks, but the bugs forming a cloud. Over at the barber, haircut's gone awry. Cicada's buzzing in saying, let your hair fly.